how to export calendar from Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now the method will depend on where your calendar is stored. So the first thing you want to do is check where your calendar is saved. So here, open up your calendar app, then tap on the menu button, and then we scroll down and tap on manage calendars. In here, check and see where you store your calendar or where it is saved to. If your calendar is saved to Google, then you need to open up a web browser or go to your computer. So here I can open up a web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're in desktop mode. So here, make sure you select desktop site. Will be a lot easier if you're in desktop side, or it can also work on mobile site as well. If you do not see the option, you can go to desktop site. So in here, tap on the menu and you want to click on settings. So at the top here there is a settings icon, so tap on that and then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down to the menu and tap on import and export. Next, on the right hand side here, you want to tap on export and then tap on download to download your calendar file. And then after that, you can open up the zip file. Okay, so that is if you are using Google Calendar in your calendar app in here. If you happen to use a Samsung account and you save your calendar to Samsung Cloud right here, then we can swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then in Samsung Cloud, tap on backup data. Next, make sure all the options are turned off except calendar. So here I have calendar toggle to on. After, tap on the backup now button and then tap on done. Now go back to the home screen. Then you need to open up the web browser such as Samsung Internet or Chrome. And then you want to go to samsungcloud.com. In here, sign into your account, and from there you should be able to download your backup. So simply sign in and download your backup file. Now Samsung does not provide a direct .ics export from the phone itself, so this is the way how you can do it. And that's it. Now if your calendar is stored locally on your phone, such as My Calendars, you actually need to move the event to, say, from that to Google Calendar. Once you move it to Google Calendar, then you can export out your calendar. If it is from a local device, then you can move it to Google Calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.